Hello friends, welcome to my first video on this channel. Today we are going to create Mark Minervini trend template on our charting platform for Indian market. So this is a trend template created by Mark Minervini. So our first condition is like the current stock price is above the 150-day and 200-day moving average price lines. So we need to add a filter here, like our clause is greater than SMA of 150-day. Then next condition is clause is greater than 200 moving average. So we need to take a duplicate of this. Then just add 200 here. Then just run on the scan. So we can see there are around 1,600 stocks here. So now we can go to our next condition. So our second condition is like the 150-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. So add the next filter here, like SMA of 150 greater than SMA of 200. Okay, then run the scan again. So now we have reduced to around 1000 stocks. Okay, so we can go to our next filter now. So now we are going to our third condition. That is the 200-day moving average line is trending up for at least 1 month, preferably 4 to 5 months minimum in most cases. So here we are going with a minimum of 4 months. So 4 months will be around an 80 trading days. So for this criteria to match, what we will check is in the last 80 days, we will check how many times the stock price closed below the 200-day moving average. If it didn't closed or the count is zero, if the count is zero, then we can filter that stock. So now we will add a new filter here. We can go for count here, and in the days we will give us it as 80. Okay, then in the filter we will check if the close of the stock price is less than the 200-day moving average. So close less than SMA of 200. Then this should be equal to 0, equals number 0. Okay. Now we will run the scan again. Okay, so now we have reduced to 770 stocks. Okay, so now our next fourth condition is like the 50-day moving average is above 150-day and 200-day moving average. So now we will add our next filter here, that is SMA of 50-day is greater than SMA of 150. Okay, then the next condition is 50-day moving average should be above 200 EMA. So we will just duplicate this filter and change 200 here. Now we will filter this again. So we have again reduced to 762 stocks now. So now our fifth condition is like the current stock price is trading above 50-day moving average. So we will add our next filter here, that is close greater than SMA or 50. We will scan this again. Now we have again reduced to around 600 stocks. Okay. So now our sixth condition is like the current stock price is at least 30% above its 52-week low. Okay. So now we will add our next condition, like our latest clause greater than minimum of, yeah, minimum of, uh, we need to change here weekly, then change the duration to 52, that is 52 week. Then here we need to change to the clause. Okay, so this is 52 week law. So now we need to check whether the latest clause is greater than latest clause is at least 30% above the 52-week law. So now we need to multiply the 52-week law with number 1.3. Okay. So now we will run the scan again. So now we have again reduced to 483 stocks. So now we are going to our seventh condition. That is the current stock price is within at least 25% of if it's 52-week high. Okay. So now we'll add our filter here. That is clause greater than. We need to get 52-week high. So we need to add maximum here. Maximum of. So we need to change weekly. Maximum of 52-week. Then change its high here. Okay. Now we need to multiply this value with 0.75. Okay, so this is like our clause should be within at least 25% of our 52-week high. Okay, now we can run the scan again. So now we have reduced to around 479 stocks. So in our sixth filter, that is the current clause should be at least 30% above of 52-week law. We need to change here law from clause. That's a mistake actually. So we need to change from to law here. Then we can scan again. Now it's around 499 stocks. Okay. So this is the Mark Minervini trend template recreated in using Chartink. So please do subscribe and like the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you all.